welcome back to the channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you into my home. Happy Easter, guys. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I have set up my coffee bar for adults as well as children for the Easter holiday season. I'm going to share with you two amazing, absolutely stunning tablescapes. I am going to share with you how I have created some arrangements throughout my home, and then I will take you back over and let you see my coffee table and my mantle styling for the spring and Easter holiday. Now, if you have not seen how I have styled my mantle for spring and Easter, I will leave that video in the iCards above. Here, I want to say welcome to the channel. Grab your coffee, grab your tea, sit back and relax, and just enjoy the video. I welcome you here, and I thank you so much for stopping by. Guys, I would like to ask you to join me as I challenge myself to creating the most stunning Easter table decor that you'll absolutely love. Now, when it comes to Easter gatherings and family celebrations, the table decor plays a huge role in setting the tone for a joyful and a memorable experience. Festive table decor has a way of bringing everyone together, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that's perfect for making special memories with your loved ones. But guys, we're going to start here at this coffee station first. I'm going to create the station for a child-approved setting. So if you're interested in what I've done here, keep watching. So instead of making individual Easter baskets for the grandkids this year, I decided to just buy a bunch of different snacks and allow them to create their own basket. So that is what we're going to do, is just take all of this goodies that I have purchased for them and let them pick and choose the things that they want, that they will eat. Guys, in Tablescape number 1, you're finding that I've layered it with such glam and elegance. From the table runner to the placemats, from the eggs to the bunnies, from the flatware to the stemware. Absolutely a beautiful display of beautiful flowers, eggs, and bunnies. I share this with you as a way of inspiration and motivation of how to decorate your space. Now, this could also be used for just pure springtime. You still see the bunnies. You can remove the eggs, leave the floral pieces, and it will work for spring. This video is to give you motivation and inspiration from the coffee bar to the dining table. I hope you will enjoy. Now's a perfect time, if you have not already done so, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you are choosing to drink. Continue to sit back and relax. Enjoy the rest of this video as I continue to share with you parts and spaces of my home. Next up, after this tablescape, I will adorn you with another. So guys, thanks a bunch for watching. Hope you will enjoy. Feel free to give me a thumbs up, like this video, leave me a comment in the comment section, and I hope to see you as part of my family. It's easy. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you tap that notification bell twice so you will always be notified of any and all videos that are created on this channel. In this part here, we are starting with Tablescape Table Look number 2. Guys, always remember, when it comes to table settings, it's all about your personal choice. There are many options that you can choose from, Whether you want to do classic or elegant, white linens, fine china, rustic, glam, whatever you choose, go with it. It's your own personal style. You set the tone for your space, whether it's just for an everyday use or for holiday. Make your space cozy enough for you and your family, or elegant enough for your guests. It's all up to you. There is no wrong way. Set your table, take a second look at it. If you're satisfied with what you see, then go with it. We all have our personal opinions, our personal touches, and things that we like. I love adding just a little bit of greenery within my space. And most of the time when I set a table, I will have some form of greenery within my styling. So guys, I hope these little tips will help you create a space that you will love. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. I hope that you were able to see how I have decorated my home for the spring and Easter. Hopefully it would give you a few ideas and tricks, and hopefully I can get this video out in time enough. But if I don't get it out in time before Easter, hopefully it will still give you some spring decor ideas just by using some floral pieces, candles. My home is my stay place. It is the place that I love to see all the beauty identified within the space, things that I have created and placed within my home. So I hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know how much you appreciate the content that is brought to you guys. And if you're not a part of this family, I truly would love to have you as part of. And it's just easy. Just hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so that you don't ever miss out on any videos that are created on this channel, and a thumbs up, please. Be blessed and take care. Happy Easter. And until the next video, I'm your host here, Gigi Faison. Sprinkles of love. Goodbye now.